Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to show you how to connect a Telegram bot for efficient lead management with Google Sheets. We can collect all the details directly from the Telegram bot, and it will be automatically stored in your Google Sheets. First, we need to create our Telegram bot. To do that, open your Telegram app and search for BotFather. Type Start to create a new bot. Here, you'll see a list of all the available commands that you can use in BotFather. Now, type New Bot to create a new bot. Enter your bot name. Now enter username for the bot. After the bot is successfully created, it will display a message containing the API key. Copy the API key and store it somewhere safe for future use. Now, click the Google Sheet link in the description and make a copy for your own use. Next, click on the Extensions menu and select App Script. Next, click the Deploy button in the top right corner and select New Deployment. Enter a description for the deployment, such as the version number. Under Web App, select Me as the executing user. Then, under Who has access, select Anyone. Now click Deploy. Next, it will ask us to authorize the script. Click on Authorize Access. Then select your email. Click Advanced and click Go to Telegram API Integration. Now scroll down and click Allow. We need to copy the web app URL for future use. Now, we need to configure our Google Sheet and app script using the copied API key and web app URL. Click on the Telegram bot menu and select Enter Bot Token. Copy the bot token that we previously obtained from the Telegram app and paste here. Next, click on the Telegram bot menu again and select Enter Webhook URL. Now, paste the web app URL we copied from App Script. This will link our Telegram bot to the Google Sheet. Now, go back again to the Telegram bot menu and choose Enter Spreadsheet ID. We can find the spreadsheet ID in the address bar of our web browser. With all configurations done, we're ready to run the script and start collecting leads through our Telegram bot. Now, to run the script, go to the Telegram bot and select Setup Telegram Bot Integration. This will activate our integration. When the script runs successfully, you'll see a message saying the setup is complete. Next, open the Telegram app and search for the bot using its name. Click the Start button to activate the bot. Type Help to see all the commands you can use with the bot. Type New Lead to add new lead data. The bot will ask you a few questions. Just go ahead and answer them to add your lead. Here, we can add an additional note, or type skip if we don't want to include one. Now, we can see all the entered data updating in Google Sheets in real time. Now, let's try using some of the other available commands. Now, let's search for a lead by name. It will display the searched leads. We can change a lead's status by clicking the provided buttons. Current status is new. Let's change it to contacted. Let's schedule a new date for a lead. Click on Schedule Follow-up. It will ask a date. We can add date as following format. it will update Google Sheets as well. Using these simple steps, we can efficiently store leads through the Telegram bot. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.